Hello. Today I will show you a wooden balance bike I bought for my 2-year-old son. Let's unboxing it, put it together and do a little test. This balance bike is from Dip-Dap manufacturer, based in Latvia. It has an adjustable seat height, a limited turning radius of the handlebars and bike is lightweight. The saddle cover color is available in a choice of 4 colors. The packaging says that surface treated with linseed oil, but I can tell you now, that wood smudges very easily, unfortunately. Let's unboxing it. Everything is ecological. This is what you get for $80, a lot of parts that you have to put together with the help of the manual. It's not hard to put it together, you put a tire in and you stick an axle through it, bolt it on both ends. The kit also comes with the necessary wrenches. After that you have to attach the fork, but here I had problems with getting the metal cylinder in, I had to look for a hammer. With more force, it worked. The bolt must then be screwed in. Then the front tire has to be fitted and screwed on. In addition, a balance bike stand was purchased so that it does not crash on the floor. Fail. The screw is not seated deeper and scratches the floor and the stand is not stable. Good. That this is a Techscrew channel and we will fix this problem ourselves with non-slip feet. Now it is much better. The stand itself is a cool thing. Here is the Dip-Dap wooden balance bike itself. This is the Dip-Dap mini model with 10-inch size tires, but there is also a classic Dip-Dap with 12-inch tires for bigger kids. It took a while for the child to make friends with it and start enjoying the rides. Every day the rides got faster and more further. A good improvement that made the balance bike more fun to ride was the upgrade of a Bluetooth speaker. The speaker played motorbike sounds, it made kid feel like on a real motorbike. By adding red and blue lights and playing police sound effects, we go an even more exciting way. Even for me, as an adult, it was fun. The last improvement was to add a cord to the top, which could be used to pull the kid when it got up, thus continued practicing balance and steering skills. Overall, we are very happy with the purchase and have done a lot of kilometers with it. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it useful, don't forget to say thanks by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, so we can meet up for more good home stuff videos. Have a nice day, thank you.